Dear subscriber, our topic is continue. The third part of a PPEs, type of a PPEs or leather gloves. Leather gloves or rubber gloves. How it helps from a shock or protect the human body. So we discuss about some points. 4 points are we'll discuss the 4 points. What is the rubber gloves? Will the rubber gloves protect from the electric shock? Does the rubber stop the electricity? Why why do the electrician wears the rubber gloves? Please, before starting the topic, listen my message about. Please subscribe my channel. Still not surprised yet. Thanks. So our first point is, what is the use of a rubber glove? Rubber gloves can be used unsupported rubber only or supported to the rubber coating of a textile gloves. It is a primary purpose of a protection of a hand while performing the task involving the chemical. Rubber gloves can be worn during a dishes washes and protecting the hand from the detergent and allow to use the hot water. This rubber gloves is protecting your hands from a damage or any heavy injury. Will a rubber glove protect from electric shock? Selected the properly insulating rubber gloves will do not the job of a protecting worker against the electric shock. Don't forget about the leather protection from there are essential part of wearing and using the insulating rubber gloves correctly. As mentioned above, to determine the glove size and also importance. Mean the rubber gloves is depend upon their insulating part and insulating company and the insulating manufacturers which have designed the rubber gloves on a proper designing in their thickness to avoid from electric shock. Does the rubber glove stop the electricity? Rubber gloves, plastic clothes are a poor conductor of electricity. Means it is clearly that the glass, plastic, clothes and are a poor or a bad conductor of electricity. This way the electricity wires are covered in a rubber. Plastic or in clothes, electrician even wear the rubber gloves when they are working with electric wire. This does not mean that the electricity cannot be passed through the insulator or any other material. Means it can, yes, the electrician can be use this rubber gloves because this is a poor conductor and bad conductor of electricity. It always protect from the electric shock. Why do the electrician wear the rubber gloves? The rubber is an insulated material in which an electric charge can't be flow. So the technically, if you grab the power line wire while wearing thick rubber solar boots, the electricity can't go through you to get the ground since the rubber is keeping you from being grounded. Means the rubber is insulated and electricity is not passes and away from the ground. Means first point is that the grounding is main cause of a shock. If the body is grounded, then you will get the shock from electricity. I think I will be clear this in this topic. What is the rubber gloves? Will the will the rubber gloves protect from the electric shock? Does the rubber stop the electricity or not? Why do the electrician wear the rubber gloves? Thanks, keep the surprise me and watching videos continuously to know about electrical knowledge and the technical views about the electrical. Thank you for watching.